Hi guys, today I will talk about 5 best 110V MIG welder. MIG welders are just about the most versatile welding machines on the market. Mostly directed towards consumers, what MIG welders lack in industrial strength they make up for inconsistency, speed, and adjustability. Finding the best 110 volts MIG welder may be an intimidating task at first. But, if you follow our guide and take a look at our top picks in this category, you might just realize that it doesn't have to be as difficult as most homeowners assume. So, we made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, let's begin. 1. Lotos MIG 140 Aluminum Shielded Welder. One of the best features built into the Lotos MIG 140 is its semi-automatic feeding. You can still use it as a traditional MIG welder, but you can also choose to release your finger grip while working on longer projects. The aluminium wire feeder offers consistency and ease of use. You can use this welder on stainless steel of 24 gauge to 3/16 thick. Although it makes short work of light-duty tasks, the Lotos MIG 140 is a bit slower when faced with thicker materials. When running at maximum output, the duty cycle is cut in half to 15%. While this may pose a problem for beginner welders, an experienced welder shouldn't be bothered too much by the additional downtime required. The thermal overload protection is a given. If you're shopping for a highly versatile MIG welder, this Lotos model may just fit your requirements. Since it has 10 variable speed settings and 10 arc voltage settings, the customization options are more than alright for work around the house and light industrial tasks. The list of accessories includes the following items: MIG torch, gas hose, argon regulator, clamp cable, contact tips, welding wire, and welding mask. A spool gun is not included in the bundle. 2. Hobart 500,559 Handler 110V MIG Welder. Hobart is known for industrial-grade machinery and equipment. As an entry-level model for the company, the Hobart 500,559 is a very reliable MIG welder for personal use, light to medium-duty workloads, and those that are interested in making a long-term investment. The 500,559 is capable of welding 24-gauge steel and up to 1/4 thick mild steel. The machine operates on any standard household circuit, making it a good fit for those with home workshops. You might also appreciate the wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM. There are 10 speed settings for you to choose from and tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. The 500,559 handler can also handle a decent duty cycle of 20% at a 90A output. The output range is between 25 and 140A. This gives the 500,559 the ability to work on very thin metal sheets as well as on thicker materials, albeit at a slower pace. The 5-position voltage control knob makes this a versatile machine, capable of delivering a stable arc against various materials and material gauges. Although Hobart offers some useful accessories too, the complete bundle might set you back too much. If you already have everything you need minus the welder, then you can just buy the Hobart 500,559 as a standalone product and immediately make short work of welding steel, stainless steel, or aluminium. 3. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI MIG 110V Welder. This machine is an inexpensive, yet highly capable machine that represents great value. The Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI MIG Welder is a versatile flux core only box with a wide output range. Although it's not MIG capable, this machine gets you 140 amps of wire feed flux core welding right away. It's worth considering the fact that the flux core process is better than MIG for outdoor welding anyway when it comes to breeze resistance. The Forney Easy Weld 261 MIG welder will weld the thinnest sheet metal of any machine in this roundup at 32 gauge thickness, making it excellent for auto body and ductwork. At the other end of the power range, 140 amps will weld 1/4 inch plate steel. It features an all-aluminium wire feed drive and it can mount both 4-inch and 8-inch wire spools. The power level control on the Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI MIG welder is infinitely adjustable within its range from 10 to 140 amps. It comes with a 10-foot MIG torch and grounding clamp. The speed adjustment for the wire feed is also infinitely adjustable. 4. Lincoln K22781 MIG Handy Core 110V Wire Feed Welder. This is an inexpensive, high-quality flux core welder aimed at beginners. The Lincoln Electric K22781 Handy Core features an easy settings system that lets users quickly set up. The machine comes with the leads already attached from the factory. The welding gun is already set up and ready to use. It's possible to start welding within minutes of unpacking. The Lincoln Electric K2278 one-handy core is a great machine for whipping out quick repairs around the household, such as torn metal on patio tables or planters. You can quickly take care of brackets and exhaust work on motorcycles, yard equipment, and handle automotive repairs. It's capable of welding metal up to 1/8 inch thick to easily take care of gate hinges, assemble angle iron for tables and plant stands, or repair pool fencing. The Lincoln K2278 one-handy core comes with a 10-foot connection and ground clamp. Some owners report the ground clamp is of cheap quality, but they're easy and inexpensive to replace. Lincoln is probably the biggest name in welding, with a nationwide network of dealerships including big box and farm supply stores. 5. Millermatic 211. Miller has spent time crafting a machine to the highest manufacturing standards that is perfect for reducing setup times and welding up to 3/8 in steel. The most notable feature is the advanced auto-set feature, which gets you welding out the box in no time. All you have to do is select your wire diameter, process type and metal thickness, and you're good to go. You can input your parameters manually if you'd prefer, but the auto-set is so advanced that you really won't need to. The arc quality is spot on. It's a versatile unit that is dual voltage and is super lightweight, so it's easy to carry with the handle on the top. There are plenty of other fine details in this machine, like the auto spool gun detect, which can automatically detect a spool gun, and smooth start technology to enable smooth welds. You have to pay a bit more for this welder, but you get a quality machine with fine attention to detail. Finding the best 110 volts MIG welder is not too difficult once you gain an understanding of its power output and efficiency. Most of these welders can be set up in under 10 minutes, which is the case for each of our top 5 picks. Hopefully, this guide will send you in the right direction when it's time to purchase your next MIG welder for home use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video.